At Gembah, we've partnered with thousands of innovators, from solo inventors to startups and established brands. Along the way, we've discovered that most product projects fall into one of 5 key categories. First, white label. You found a product already and are ready to customize it with your branding. Next, direct to manufacturing, or D2M. You've spotted a product that could stand out with a few tweaks, and you're ready to find a manufacturer to bring your modifications to life. Then, there's unique. You've got a completely original idea and need a design engineer to create the precise drawings manufacturers require. Fourth, samples in first production. You've already completed your designs and are ready to move forward with manufacturing. And finally, second source. You're already manufacturing your product but want to lower costs, improve quality, or add geographic diversity by finding an additional manufacturer. Whatever your category, Gembah is here to help you take the next step. Let's bring your product to life.